This video will show you how to perform electronic parking brake reset, using the smart diagnostic system. The procedure in your vehicle will be the same as in this video. Plug your device into the DLC, then confirm your vehicle and VIN. First, select Workshop Tools. Electronic Parking Brake Reset. Chassis. PBCM, Parking Brake Control Module. Parking Brake Calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the procedure. Calibration passed. That's how to perform electronic parking brake reset. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.